Hello, my name is Pam and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am so glad you found us, and if you are a returning family, welcome home, and I'm so glad to see you. I have for you today just a quick completion video. I finished this super cute piece from FeeLook Art. This was sent to me by FeeLook Art at no cost to myself. Um, and for me to review. As always, you're gonna get an honest review. I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like. Okay. Fortunately, I do like most of what I saw. I do like. So this was really cute. This was part of their Christmas collection. I really do love their canvases. Um, this is a premium company. It is licensed artwork. The back of their canvas, which has cat hair on it, I'm so sorry. Their back of their canvases are that soft kind of felt feel to it. They are scalloped. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. They are scalloped around the edges and perforated around the edges to help prevent fraying. I had absolutely no issues with this canvas. It laid out perfectly flat from when I opened it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Ah, something blew in here. Oh my god, I know you're not interested in my weather, but it's actually cold here, which is like a never event. But yeah. Anyway, sorry, squirrel thought. This canvas is lovely. It flattened out so easy. I had absolutely no issues with the canvas. The cover was a nice medium weight thickness to it. It would have been perfectly easy for me to partition that off and cut it as I go if I wanted to. I just took the whole thing off actually and used release paper, but yeah, whatever you wanted to do with it. If you are somebody who likes to cut the cover, you would be able to with no problem. The glue, perfect. Perfectly sticky. I had absolutely no issues with the glue either. All right, so let me show you this guy. He is so handsome. Look how cute. How cute is that? Let me put him this way so you can see the whole thing. And then we'll turn him the other way again. But look how cute he is. He's super cute. These are round drills. And for round drills, they really fit together super well. There is an edge around here. Here, let me pull them up here so you can see. See that edge around there? It almost gives it like a little bit of a framed look, and the glue stops right where the drills start. So you don't have to washi around the edge of your painting if you don't want to. I had absolutely no problems with that. And it gives it a nice kind of finished edge. I like that. But look how well those round drills fit together. And honestly, that's one of the reasons that I prefer squares, because I think I get a better look at the end because they fit together so much better than round ones. But these rounds are great. They fit perfectly. Okay, let's go back around here. So this is from one of their Christmas designs they put out. It is from FeeLook Art. Once again, FeeLook Art. And look how shiny this. The camera never does it justice. This thing sparkles literally like diamonds. Look at that sparkle in there. It is awesome. Um, this came with 40 colors total. And out of those 40 colors, I think there was just one AB. Yeah, there's one AB, and that was like in the snow, the edges of the snow, like through here and in the snowflakes. You can see kind of how in the snowflakes. But honestly, their regular drills are so sparkly as it is. God, the whole canvas is sparkling. Those ABs are just extra sparkling. The name of this canvas is called Jingle, and it is a 40 by 50. Down here at the bottom, they have all of their socials. Let me pull it up here for you to see. They have their Facebook group, Instagram, and etc. And their guarantees are also listed down here on the bottom. So yeah, I had 0 issues with popping drills, nothing. And they fit together beautifully. So I actually will probably end up mounting this at some point and using it, like at Christmas time. But yeah, nothing. I had 0 bad things to say about the canvas. The drills, I had plenty. There were a couple of the colors that were a little bit trashy, but I honestly didn't care because I had plenty of diamonds. I was not even close to running out on any of them. The pen they sent with it. That's the only thing I had any kind of a meh kind of about was the pen. I liked it, and I don't have it up here with me. I'm so sorry. I did show the pen with the unboxing. I did. And it's one of those that you take the top of it off and they give you the wax like in these little pellets. And you just drop the pellet down into the pen and you screw the little top on. And as you work, you just kind of screw the top down and the wax comes out of the bottom. That pen works great if you single place. I am notoriously a multi-placer. I even use my multi-placer to pick up single diamonds. Honestly, I hardly ever use just my single placer. So because of that, I didn't use the pen. It worked perfectly fine. It felt perfectly fine in my hand. I liked it. Was really easy to load with that little pellet of wax. So if you are strictly a single placer, the pen is going to be awesome for you. As a matter of fact, I'm working on a painting right now that I'm happy to do a lot of single placing for reasons. So I might even haul that pen out and try it on that one anyway. But that's the only thing I didn't like about the toolkit was they didn't give you a multi-placer option. So my only, I guess, word of advice to FeeLook Art is don't forget about us multi-placers and give us maybe some sort of an option in one of your pens, because the last couple of pens they've sent me have been awesome if you're a single placer. But yeah, that was really the only issue I had with it. But the canvas itself was amazing. This actually only took me, well, it took me a couple of weeks to do, but I work a lot of crazy hours. So it took me, I want to say maybe 2.5, 3 weeks total, just, because of my work schedule. So it was pretty quick. And yeah, so I would say 9 out of 10. I'm only taking one off because there was no multi-placer option for the pen. Everything else, absolutely perfect. Would I buy from FeeLook Art? Absolutely I would. I have bought from FeeLook Art. I have actually gone and spent my own money and bought canvases from FeeLook Art just because I honestly do like I like their canvases and I have not been disappointed yet, but this little guy is so handsome. So I'm definitely going to probably be using him for my Christmas decorating next year. But look how the fur came out. Oh, it came out so nice. And, oh, here, I gotta let you look close up. Again, look how beautifully those round diamonds fit together. Telling you, it didn't get much better than that. All right. Good job, FeeLook Art. All right. Thank you so much. So this was a really quick video. Thank you for checking it out, and feel free to check out FeeLook Art. I am an affiliate of FeeLook Art, so I do have a code available down in the description box. Feel free to use it, no pressure. You do get a discount if you do use it, though. So I do like to provide it for you. And I will also put the link to this gorgeous guy. All right. And all right. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your day. And stay warm wherever you are. And I will see you guys later. Bye.